Mga kababayan, ka-walk, welcome back to hashtag Walk with Lan, where we dissect Philippine politics like a hot lumpia, crispy outside, juicy inside. At minsan masarap na masarap, pero pwede ring magdulot ng heartburn. Ako si Lan, your bilingual truth teller. At today, oh boy, simpleng kwentuhan lang tayo about the Senate showdown that's got everyone buzzing. Ayan, okay. Oh, ito talagang Senador Rodante Marcoleta, the intellectual gladiator, fighting for justice versus Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto, who seems hell-bent on turning the chamber into his personal drama stage. At sa gitna nito, our first Vice President, Sara Duterte, facing not just impeachment goes, but a sneaky zero budget threat to her office. Is this accountability or straight up political sabotage? Buckle up, Senador Gen Z and millennials. This is your crash course in homeland power plays with facts, laughs, and zero bullshit. Let's walk, mga kaibigan. Okay, all right let's start with the origin story. Parang Marvel movie, pero sa halip na superheroes, it's super senators with super egos. Imagine niyo this. February 2025, the House of Representatives drops an impeachment bomb on Vice President Sara Duterte. Bakit? Alleged misuse of confidential funds from her DepEd days. You know, those shadowy 125 million pesos that became the talk of the town. Sara fight back like a boss, calling it a hilaw na kaso. Undercooked like adobo without soy sauce. Fast forward to July 2025. The Supreme Court, in a unanimous smackdown, rules the whole complaint unconstitutional. No verification from a House member. Boom! Invalid. Hindi na pwede i-file ulit within a year. Game over. Right? Okay, pero wait lang. Plot twist. Enter August 6, 2025. Senate plenary. Senator Marcoleta, the Duterte loyalist with Okay, with the Senate, with the lawyer's brain and poet's fire, files a motion to archive, basically bury the impeachment articles for good. This is dead on arrival, sabi niya, citing the SC ruling like gospel, at doon nag-init. Soto jumps in, moving to table Marcoleta's motion. Bakit? Parang ayaw niya matapos ang show. Senators vote 19-4-1 against Soto. Marcoleta's motion passes. Impeachment archive. Sara's cleared just like that. Okay, witty aside, Soto's face, priceless. Priceless. Parang nanalo siya sa bingo, pero biglang no more. Okay, no more balls left. Now, tie this to the zero budget drama. Fast forward to October 2025, House budget hearings for 2026. OVP asked for 902.8 million pesos. Fair enough for feeding programs and all that good stuff. Pero Sara, sets conditions, no ambush questions, full disclosure first. House flips, brattiness, they cry, threatening to slash it to zero. Ako I see the pattern. Impeachment fails, so budget knife. It's like losing at basketball, then spiking the opponent's Gatorade. Simpleng kwentuhan. This ain't accountability, it's revenge porn for politics. Okay, let's give props where due, Senator Rodante Marcoleta, the man of the hour. Picture him, no? Not your typical politician, but a law professor who quotes parables like TikTok wisdom. In his privileged. Okay, in his privileged speech, mga kaibigan, he drops the gem. The House verifies as a body, not individuals. It's in the rules, Section 3. Bang! He rebuts Soto's Gonzales versus Comelec precedent. That's for a certiorari, not impeachment, Senator. You're mixing apples with adobo. Boom! No? Intellectual mic drop. Why favor Marcoleta? Because he's fact-based senator. He defended his yes vote with a parable about a king and blind men. Basically, don't twist the elephant's tail to fit your narrative. For you youth out there grinding in law school or just scrolling X for truth, this is Constitutionalism 101. Marcoleta's not just shielding Sara, he's protecting the system from weaponized impeachment. Sara, no? She's the underdog queen. From Davao girl to VP, now facing budget bullies. Her no-show, is strategic, not snub. I'll attend if it's fair, she says. Respect, in a world of performance, outrage. She's a real feeding kids while dodging daggers. Okay, if Soto's the old school DJ spinning delays, Marcoleta's the remix artist dropping truth bits. Who wins? The one with the crowd? 19 Senator said, archive it, mga kaibigan. Okay, now, the rose, Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto. Uncle T, we love your Yula Valdez impressions. But in the Senate, during the clash, he insists on individual verification. Constitution says, oath from one member, citing 1971 cases like it's 2021. Marcoleta claps back. House rules, deem it verified. Soto doubles down, but gets voted down 19-5 on his table motion. Desperation match. It's like arguing pineapple and pizza in a vegan forum. You are outnumbered and unflavored, mga kaibigan. Outflavored. Okay, Soto's movie smells an old alliances crumbling. Remember his NPC days? Now minority leader clutching at procedural straws to keep the impeachment alive. Why? Political chatter or deeper grudge against Duterte's and linking to zero budget. He hinted at it as a motivation for the mess, but conveniently ignores how House threats echo his delays. O para sa mga kabataan, this is gaslighting 101. Twist facts to control the narrative. Soto's witty in quips, But here, it's cringy, like a boomer meme in your feed. We need leaders who evolve, not evade. Imagine, Soto as the villain in a Pinoy teleserye, scheming to keep the plot going, but the hero, Marcoleta, archives the script. Fade to black, not yet budget, wars incoming. Okay, hindi naman po bago to, no? OVP budget is slashed before, but zero, that's his scorched. Linked to Senate, Soto's delays kept impeachment heat on. Now, House cools it with cash cuts. Coincident. For you, mga kabataan, budgets fund your future. Schools, jobs, if they zero Sara's, what's next? Your tuition aid? Marcoleta's archive which shows resilience, Sara stands. Empowerment, It's like canceling a Netflix sub because you're being get too fast. Petty, no? And you will regret it when the ads hit, mga kaibigan. Okay, deeper dive, Philippine politics is a chessboard. Duterte's as Black Knights, Old Guard like Soto as blacking pawns. Marcoleta's move, Queenside Castle protecting the king. Supreme Court's ruling reinforces 1987 Constitution's one-year bar. No endless impeach loops. So mga kabataan, read Article 11, folks. It's your power toolkit. Okay, Soto versus Marcoleta like rap battle. One drop bars from the 70s, the other freestyles with SC sides. Who spits far? Marcoleta, hands down, mga kaibigan. Share your take in comment section. Zero budget fare. Tag a friend into politics. We're the generation that memes are way to change. Okay. Simpleng kwentuhan, ha? The Senate hit, huh? It's the canary in the coal mine for 2028 elections. Sara emerges stronger. Marcoleta as hero. Soto, time for a plot twist or exit stage left. No? In a democracy of dynasties, truth tellers like Marcoleta keep it real. Budget zero, fight back with votes, not vibes. Thanks for walking with me. Hit like if Marcoleta's your MVP. Subscribe for more. Mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ng unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo, kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Tulungan ninyo ako manatiling malaya, walang takot at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta mga kawok. Sumali na sa #WalkWithLan, YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laban. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!